free deals para ma-regain natin yung control natin based on our thoughts and emotion, of course, our reaction. So, number 1, kapag merong pumasok na thoughts sa isip mo, name it. For example, paggising mo sa umaga, meron kang agad fear. For example, bago ka lang sa work. And then, ang dami-daming kung anong fears na pumapasok, ang daming doubts. Hulihin mo siya, i-name it mo. This is doubt and not me. This is fear but not me. So, second is, when emotion arises, label it. So, same lang as the thought. So, for example, nandyan yung anxiety, yung sadness, yung anger. When you catch on na parang bago ka matulog, for example, ang dami mong ino-overthink, nag-anxiety ka for tomorrow. So, become aware of it. Don't judge it. Just become aware of it and then label it. This is anxiety talking to me. So, with that, nagkakaroon ng gap and space dun sa iyo, sa identity mo, and dun sa emotion or dun sa thoughts mo. And the third one is, when an impulse appears, pause. Pause for 3 seconds, inhale, exhale, and then breathe. Kasi minsan may mga impulses tayo, impulse buying, impulse reactions, impulse anger, which is pwede natin siyang maiwasan because when we pause, makakapag-isip tayo, meron siyang space eh. Unlike dun sa mga muscle memory natin na automatic, pag nakita mo yung traffic, nakita mo yung taong yun, is automatic, ang muscle memory mo is magalit. So, to change